Today, we're diving into something really cool, a single command that can seriously, 100x the power of Anthropic's Claude code. It is a total game changer for anyone who codes with AI, and it all kicks off with one simple question. So, let me ask you this. If you're using Claude code straight out of the box, you probably think you've got a pretty powerful tool, right? And you do. But what if I told you that's kind of like having a brand new smartphone and only using it to make phone calls? The reality is, without the right setup, you are leaving a huge amount of potential just completely untapped. So, in this explainer, we're going to unlock all that power. Let's start with the basics. Okay, so first up, what are we actually working with here? Let's get a really clear picture of the foundation, Claude code itself. So, Claude Code is Anthropic's amazing AI coding assistant. It's designed to live right inside your computer's terminal. This gives you this really direct, raw access to all of its coding power. It's incredibly fast, super potent, but that raw power, it comes with a bit of a trade-off. Yeah, that terminal-only experience, as powerful as it is, can get so messy when you start trying to juggle complex projects or maybe multiple AI agents at once. It just becomes a wall of text, which, let's be honest, is not the best way to manage a sophisticated workflow. And that brings us to the hero of our story today. This is the simple, super elegant solution to all that complexity. Meet Claude Code Templates. It's this awesome, free, open source project that's actually so good, its creator won a Claude developer competition with it. It's basically a massive library of pre-built configurations. And the best part? You install it with just one command. And hey, this isn't some tiny, obscure tool nobody's heard of. We are talking over 22,000 stars on GitHub. The community has seen just how powerful this is and has jumped on board in a huge way. So yeah, this thing is legit. So how should you really think about this? What's the mental model for what Claude Code Templates actually does? Well, the creator gave us the absolute perfect analogy. This right here, this analogy just nails it. Think of the basic Claude code as a shiny, powerful new smartphone. And Claude Code Templates? Well, that's its app store. And it's packed with free apps you can install instantly to unlock all these incredible new abilities. And we're not talking about some little corner store either. This is a big app store. We're talking over 100 free open source templates that are ready to go right now. You can browse them, see what they do, and just install them with a click. Now, these apps come in a few different flavors. First, you've got agents. Think of these as specialist AI team members you can just hire on the spot. For instance, you can install a senior architect agent that's already set up to review code for security flaws. Then you have commands for shortcuts, MCPs to connect Claude to other tools, pre-configured settings, custom hooks for automation, and specialized skills to make your agents even smarter. All right, enough theory, right? What does this actually look like in practice? Let's see how you can use all these different components to build something really amazing. Get this, you can instantly install entire teams of AI experts. Need to create a podcast? Yep, there is a team for that. Need a senior architect to review your code or a content marketer to whip up a campaign? You just download them like you download an app. The possibilities here are just huge. But remember the problem we talked about? Trying to manage a whole team of agents in a standard terminal is, and I'm quoting here, quite messy. It's just this chaotic stream of text that's almost impossible to follow. And here is the brilliant solution in action. The templates introduce what's called a visual orchestrator. So a main agent acts as the project manager, orchestrating the work. It then assigns tasks to sub-agents, like your developers and QA engineers, and this is the crucial part. Instead of that messy chat log, you get a clean, visual dashboard showing you exactly who is doing what. This is basically mission control for your AI team. You can see the flow of tasks, see what tools are being used, what's been completed, all of it in a simple, easy-to-understand visual interface. It completely transforms the experience from confusing to crystal clear. So, you see the potential. You're ready to go from a simple command line tool to a full-blown AI mission control. How do you do it? This is it. This is the one-click upgrade we've been talking about this whole time. You run this single command in your terminal, and the moment you do, it doesn't just install some files. No, it brings up an interactive menu where you can browse that entire app store of templates. You can read about each agent or skill and install them right there. It really is that simple. And hold on, it gets even better. You can take these new skills and teams you've installed and actually schedule them.
I mean, imagine setting up your search specialist to automatically run a report for you every morning at 5 a.m. That's the level of true automation this unlocks.
So let's just recap this transformation. You go from a basic, though, yes, powerful, commands line coding assistant to having a full team of specialized AI agents at your command, complete with powerful automations and a visual mission control to manage the whole thing.
This is not just a minor upgrade. It's a fundamental change in what Claude Code can even do. So the real question isn't if you should install this, but once you do, what incredible things are you going to build with your new AI team?